G'day guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be having a look at some Ovonic batteries. These were sent to me by Ovonic FPV to test out in my Zod Alpha Strike. These are a 1550 mAh battery with 150C discharge, so they're quite a powerful battery. I'm quite interested to see how these run in the plane. In this video today we're going to be taking a look at these and their other range on their website. If you're not familiar with Ovonic FPV, I'm going to leave all their links to this battery and other stuff down in the description for you to have a look at. So yeah, hope you enjoy this video. So here on their website, these are the batteries that they've sent me. These batteries all seem to come in packs of 2. You can buy them in 2 packs, a 4-pack and an 8-pack. And they look really well priced. 2 packs going for 56 or 57 Australian dollars is pretty damn good for a 6S battery, I think. They're 1550cc with a 150C discharge rating. And they're a 6-cell battery designed for FPV racing with between 5 to 6 inch quads or even some more high-powered drones as well. They weigh in, the claimed weight, they weigh in at 245 grams, so they are quite light compared to the other battery I was using anyway, which was a little bit heavier, I guess. And the use of different technologies, using a stacking technology over winding technology, which you see in other batteries. So I guess it reduces swelling, which is what they claim anyway. It's a higher density by 6%. You're supposed to get a longer running time as well, up to 12%, and a lower battery swelling by 8%. So that's interesting to see. My other 6-cell battery was a Zot Power battery that started swelling up after a couple of hard flights with that. So it will be interesting to see how these ones fare with it as well, with a bit of abuse. Lower internal resistance as well with these batteries. Designed for all sorts of cars, helicopters, boats. So yeah, they're pretty wide range for what you can use with these batteries. They got plenty here, so like I said, they come in packs of 2. So there's a pack of 4 you can pick up for 109 Australian dollars. Or you can go the 8-pack for $200, which is really good value, I think. We'll have a look at their range here. So this is their 6S range here. They've got a good variety, that's for sure, and they're all in 2 packs as well. 1000 milliamp batteries all the way up to, what have we got? 5000 milliamp 6S battery there for, you get 2 of them for $154. So definitely go and check them out. They're pretty good value from what I can see. They seem to be suited with all sorts of things. If you have a bit of a read up on this one here, especially the 5S milliamp battery, 6S, it tells you it's designed for the Centon 6S vehicle. Or if you're looking for a battery for the Armour Creighton or whatever, one of those, here's a 6S 5300 milliamp battery for the Armour. Boat battery, drones, they've got plenty of a variety here for all sorts of different craft. So go check that out. We can also have a look at chargers as well. They've got a fairly good little range of chargers which look quite good as well. Good displays on them. Don't know if it's touchscreen or not, but they've got a good one here that's 500 watts, 4-channel smart LiPo charger. Or you can go just a cheaper basic one here, which is 15 watt, 1.2 amp balance charger. So plenty good range. You can, on their website, you can filter the type of battery here, whether you want a FPV battery, RC aircraft battery, RC car battery, what voltage you want out of your battery. You can pretty much, and what C rating too. They got C rating from 50C all the way up to 150C. With most of theirs. So I'll just have a look here. We'll just go to the FPV batteries here and just have a bit of a look at what they've got here. So these batteries here would be quite good for the goggles, I would imagine. 1300s, a 1550, Well, I mean, they're 100C rating still, so that's really good value. $18 for a 1550 4-cell with a 100C rating. Wow. I'll tell you what, it's got to be the best value batteries I've seen around, to be honest. I can't say I've seen anything better than these value batteries. And I'm not just saying that because they've given me batteries. This is the honest truth. I don't know anywhere where you can get batteries at this price. So as long as their quality holds up, then this is a great place for battery shopping, I think. Ovonic 1200 milliamp 2-pack for $42. 120C rating. So I mean, I can't test the output rating there to confirm whether the 120C in this battery in particular is accurate or not, so I've got to take their word for it. It's not in their interest to be advertising something that's not, so you've got to say that 120C is what they put out, which is really good. So I'm not going to babble on too much here, because you can have a look at all this yourself and go pick yourselves up a battery. 4-pack of these going for under 70 Australian dollars. That's insane. You cannot beat that, guys. So yeah, Ovonic, if you haven't heard of them, go check them out. That's they got a charger combo sale going in August, so yeah, getting quick for that if you want to check it out. New battery, new charger release there, 500 watt charger with 4 channels, putting out 15 amps each, and high performance batteries to suit all the high performance cars like the Creighton and Traxxas X Max. Best bang for your buck. So yeah, it looks like it, most definitely. Alright guys, all links in the description. Stay tuned, next video will be using these in my Alpha Strike. We're going to put them to the test and see what sort of performance that they can do. So stay with us and hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.